Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both Mac and iPhone so the build path is clear. Sign into Xcode with your Apple ID or a paid developer account so signing identities are available. This is required to run apps on hardware. Connect the iPhone via USB or set up wireless debugging, then tap Trust on the device. Once Xcode lists the device under Devices and Simulators, you can move to Project Setup. This ensures certificates and pairing are in place before you attempt a build. Now configure the project and signing so Xcode can create an installable app. Set a unique bundle identifier and pick the app target. Under Signing and Capabilities, choose your team. Automatic signing usually handles certificates and provisioning profiles, but manual signing gives you precise control. If Xcode flags provisioning errors, refresh profiles, or add the iPhone UID to your developer portal. Make small adjustments like bumping the build number. Once signing is clean, prepare to compile for the connected device. Build and install the app by choosing the iPhone as the run destination and pressing Run. Xcode will compile, sign, and transfer the app, monitor the build progress, and address compiler errors immediately. After installation, you may need to trust the developer profile on the iPhone so the app can launch. Once running, use the Xcode debugger and device logs to verify behavior. If the app won't install, one tip: reboot both devices, reconnect, and re-add the device UID to the provisioning profile before rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.